Hey there, welcome to another episode of Baking with Me in my kitchen space. In today's episode, I'm back with a cake, and this cake is very special because we're going to be using the waste that we got after squeezing our green juice, and I made that in a previous episode. You can check that out. So, with me, I have my ingredients. From this corner, I have some all-purpose flour. You can also use some self-raising flour, but you're going to leave out the baking powder. I have some 2 eggs, some margarine, and some cooking oil, and this is a very good combination if at all you're going to be having vegetables in your recipe. I have some buttermilk. You can also add some vinegar to your milk if you do not have the buttermilk. I have some sugar. I have a teaspoon of cocoa powder, and that will come in later. I have my baking powder, some baking soda, and a pinch of salt. And without further ado, let's get started. So, as usual, we'll always start by mixing what needs to be mixed first, and I'll add that. Then I'm going to mix till everything is well combined. And by the way, today we are going the easy route and we are going to be using a blender. I did a very detailed episode on that. You can check that out. I'm going to link it at the end of this particular episode. Then I'm going to start by adding in our liquid ingredients first, then we'll finish the flour. So I'll start by adding in the margarine. Then I'll also add the cooking oil. Then I'll add in the buttermilk. As well as the waste that you got. So you can see this is a combination of some apples and some cucumber and also some pineapple. That's also going to help to make our cake very moist. So finally, as you can see, my cake is ready, and you can also see the pieces of the green waste that we used. This looks beautiful. Oh, and it's also moist. You can already tell just how I like it. Wow. This is good. Well, I've served it with some green juice, and by the way, you can check out the recipe on this. This is a very good drink. If at all you want to cut on some weight, you definitely have to try it. And that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you're going to try this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.